A black swan has entered the scene. Did you guys realize that these things happen overnight? Exactly. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around $2.62. Well, I lost a bunch of money longing XRP because I didn't put my stop loss, guys, due to some external event that just happened with South Korea. Well, on the USDT.dominance chart, guys, I am seeing a triple bullish divergence, and I don't think that's a good thing at all. So let's see what's going to happen this upcoming week, or no, this week itself, guys. If we do head lower, I'm going to be purchasing more XRP, though I'm still in the profit trading XRP, so I'm not too worried about that. But what you should be worried about is South Korea just got sacrificed. In today's video, we're going to explain how this all ties into XRP and what's really happening. New SEC chair has been confirmed. Lots of things are happening, guys. The Riddlers did call it, literally. Now, guys, there's the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. Why? Mr. Pooh once upon a time tweeted on 12/2/2020, basically a 4-year delta, that blood will occur, guys. Right? Insanity, isn't that? Crazy, crazy, crazy. So this is why we went down, guys. President Yoon declares martial law in South Korea. The crazy part is why did obviously someone gave him the call, guys, to do this on this exact day, right? And this literally ties into Mr. Pool's tweet. On this exact day, he tweeted out a video saying evacuation exercise December 3rd, 10 a.m. And it happened 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, at least. Okay, or like it was 8 or something, 9. I remember because I was awake. He tweeted this video, guys. And it's basically about a black swan event. Okay, something bad. I told you guys. The recession. So let today be a reminder that the bull run, when the bull run is when the short-term top occurs for the bull run, guys, there's going to be an event that strikes a recession. Okay, and it's going to happen when? Overnight. What's crazy is check this out. On Upbit, a South Korean exchange dumped minus 27% within minutes from 95k Bitcoin to 71k Bitcoin. Crazy, right? Ridiculous. Then we got CMC Korean prices. So this what happened, guys. There's a lot of rigging happening right now. Okay, the markets are most definitely rigged, but they're not at the same time because the markets right now are overextended a little bit. Okay, so if we do see a pullback, which we are right now, it's not a bad sign at all, because when this is done and over with, we're going to go to new heights never seen before, right? This may be the last buying opportunity. Literally, I think it is, right? But I'm still hoping for a little bit lower prices, guys, so I could buy in. Now, I'm already in, by the way, right? My holdings, I don't touch. I'm talking about my trading bag, guys. So CoinMarketCap has put the Korean markets back into the price. Is there anything going on here, oh bearable guy? Or did the Korean market price just come within range and they just put it back on since it wasn't an outlier? Suckers, CMC Korea. The crazy part is, so it begins, happens where? Oops, happens South Korea, because their shelter is so it begins. That's the event, right? Something negative is going to happen, guys, and then it begins. Just like how it happened today. Wait for it. China, Korea, Japan. Stay indoors, right? Talking about martial law, anybody who comes out after 11 p.m. will be arrested. Again, do not blame South Korea for this drop. Do not blame them, guys, because they got the call to have this external event because they knew that, looking at the charts, guys, the prices would have gone down anyway. Okay, there was going to come a dip. But what was crazy to me is they literally did this event, right? So, such as a black swan event. I'm telling you, these people have 52 cards, or however many cards are in a deck, and they choose one. Literally, they could choose any because it's all manufactured. And there's nothing you can do about it. That's the crazy part, right? Literally nothing you can do about it. Mr. Pool was not wrong. What can you do? Nothing. Okay. So yeah. XRP flashes at the end. No matter what, XRP is the correct play, guys. I told you guys, XRP is my what? My recession and collapse hedge. That's why I'm never going to touch my HODL bag. I told you guys I'm taking with me to my grave. Right? Literally. You guys seen how Bitcoin got sacrificed? How does Bitcoin drop 20k? Insanity. Okay, from the first decider. Maybe legit. We are officially on timeline 1 or 2 now. We will know what timeline we are officially on by December 3rd. 3rd of December 2018. New world martial law. How did the riddlers know? I don't know. Right? They know. They know. How? Talking about South Korea, let's talk about and tie it to XRP. Korea and XRP. The financial industry in Korea is collectively positioned and ready to use XRP specifically for digital asset transactions. Documented. What further probed as to which particular digital asset would be adopted, 20% indicated XRP. Korea loves XRP. It was called the kimchi premium back then, guys. Their XRP was higher on their exchanges back in end of 2017, right? And then the other exchanges worldwide. Not to mention, what's fascinating is XRP topped out back then due to South Korea as well, right? Because of CoinMarketCap. Now South Korea comes back into play, and with this news, I know for a fact this isn't the top. I'll explain why in just a minute. But first, South Korea retail crypto trading, which is XRP, hits $18 billion, beating local stock market. Ripple's XRP token witnessed over $6.3 billion in volume on the day in South Korea. Okay, crazy, guys. This was all XRP. Then we have, for the first time ever, XRP's trading volume has exceeded the combined volumes of Ethereum and Bitcoin. XRP reigned supreme during a Black Swan event. Yesterday, XRP recorded its largest daily volume on CoinMarketCap ever. The thing is, South Korea lawmakers request canceling martial law. And guess what? Wow. I'm actually upset at the person who gave this call. Right. Because these people are not our friends. They're not, guys. They don't care if people live or die. I promise to God. You know why? Because this event took place. Guess what they're calling for right after. Korea pledges unlimited liquidity to support markets, which means an unlimited amount of printing, right, coming into markets, which means what? The markets go higher. And it was all and the people were getting sacrificed, right? Not literally. People get sacrificed literally when they introduce or manufacture war. Don't be upset at South Korea or the president or anything. Be upset, if you are going to be, at the person who gave him the call to do this at this specific day. Though Mr. Poole called it from a long time ago, guys. I want to mention Big Short. So this is how I know we're not at the top yet. Okay, is this storm over? Someone asked Big Short on this tweet. Right, he was replying to it several times. Or it hasn't even begun. He replied, "There are more on the horizon, it seems, but you have time." That's it, guys. There are more on the horizon, it seems. Right? Little storms, we got big storms, but we have time to profit off, because I know for a fact a recession is incoming, and I wonder, oh God, I wonder what excuse they're going to manufacture that time. When just today, martial law in South Korea, by the way, it affects crypto prices. What? I can't. I wonder what's the next excuse they're gonna manufacture to bring everything down, plus the stock market, in a couple months' time. And then they're going to print so much money to bring it back up. Hilarious. Merry Christmas, Santa, and Happy New Year. Right, Merry Christmas. Is the stage even set? So again, we have some time, guys, right? is next week the week of glory, which is this week, one of many to come this year. This week the week of glory. So far, not, but I hope so. I'm a South Korean journalist based in New York City. This is what's happening in South Korea right now. I'm not going to read any of this stuff, guys, but all I'm saying is that country literally got sacrificed today, guys. A grand ritual just happened. And retail needs an excuse for why prices came down. And they're going to be like, oh, it pointed at South Korea. Nope, you want to point it at the person, the game master, whoever gave that call. Sorry. January 24th from BG123 on the 24th of January 2019. What is that? January is 1. Okay? 1, 2, 12, 4. Does it begin? Interesting. 12/4 is what? Tomorrow's date, which supposedly our LUC goes live. When we talk about 12/4, the Phoenix comes out to literally 12/4. What? Wait a minute. What? This is shocking. Well, Ripple is on a spree, 100%, 1.6 million, 400k minted at our LUC treasury of our LUC. Remember, Bitcoin has a mechanism to pump it, which is USDT, and it made Bitcoin to go to 100k or 99.7k or something. XRP is about to officially have our LUC. What's this price? Where will it go to? I don't know, but we'll see. The good thing right now is possibly breaking. President-elect Donald Trump has selected the pro-crypto Paul Atkins to chair the SEC. Current chair Gary Gensler will resign. Okay, so we got Paul Atkins, guys. Here comes Attorney Jeremy. Trump picks former SEC head Paul Atkins to chair his SEC. Pros are he has advocated for reasonable and workable regulation in the digital asset space, especially with the exchanges. He's a steady hand who was SEC chair for 8 years. Things like that, guys. He was good enough to get a law degree, but source says Paul Atkins, right? Look at this. Great power trios, don't we see? So, seems like it's a bullish thing to me. Why? Listen to the potential SEC chair, or he is now, discuss the Ripple lawsuit in this clip from January 2022 where he mentions XRP. Let's see what he has to say. Play.
So we'll see. I mean, one case that actually started under Jay Clayton is on the, I guess, his penultimate day in office is the lawsuit against Ripple regarding XRP and whether or not that is a security. We should get a ruling in that trial here sometime here in the next couple months, maybe. So that may be an indication of where things are going to go. And perhaps the SEC is waiting to see how it might fare in court on that. But a lot of these arguments, especially if they take aim at trading platforms, are going to get back to the essential question of what is a security and what's not. Because again, the SEC does not have jurisdiction over a trading platform if it's not trading a security. So, we come back to that essential question.
Yeah, we need to stop talking so much and just move it up, guys. I'm pretty sure he says more things, but I'm pretty sure he's a good person for the SEC, for our crypto industry. I got the dates right last year, 12/5, 12/13, wrong year. So it begins 1/13 numbers are December dates. Could be, guys. Right. Right after. Is it moon time for XRP? Hopefully, because the fountain for today's video comes from David Schurz. Good luck, XRP bears. You can't turn it off, but you could turn it on. More on. Flip the switch when it's on, like it has been. The bots have been on to buy, right? The buy bots. You can't turn it off. Good luck, and blame the person who called South Korea to this event today. Don't blame South Korea itself. Not financial advice. But it was so face me. See ya.